Hello and welcome back. Today we will be learning about the applications of the Python programming language. Python is a popular programming language used in various fields such as web development, scientific computing, data analysis, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and many more. Python is a widely used language and is very versatile and has numerous applications. Some of its applications are web development, scientific computing, artificial intelligence, data analysis, machine learning. Python is used in various web development frameworks like Django and Flask. These frameworks are used to develop scalable and secure web applications. Python is also used in the field of scientific computing to perform various scientific and numeric computations and calculations. Python can perform various calculations and computations with great ease. Some examples where the language is used in the field are SciPy, which is a collection of packages for the purpose of mathematics, science, and engineering. Another one is IPython, which is an interactive shell that features editing and recording of work sessions. Python is also used in the field of artificial intelligence. Python is the most popular programming language used for AI because of its vast collection of built-in libraries. A library is a module or a group of modules published by different sources like PyPy, which include a pre-written piece of code that allows users to reach some functionality or perform different actions. Another field which uses Python on a large scale is data analysis. Data analysis with Python is delivered through lectures, hands-on labs, and assignments. It includes the following parts: data analysis libraries, data frames, NumPy multidimensional arrays, SciPy libraries to work with various data. Machine learning ALS includes an extensive use of Python because Python includes a modular machine learning library known as PyBrain, which provides easy-to-use algorithms for use in machine learning tasks. And it is the best and most reliable coding solutions require a proper structure and tested environment, which is available in the Python frameworks and libraries. Python, a brilliant language for teaching programming. So it's used extensively for learning other programming language. Using Python, one can create a great GUI. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. It is a form of user interface that allows users to interact with electronic devices through graphical icons and audio. Various desktop GUIs can be created easily using Python, like WX widgets, Kivy, and Qt are developed using the Python programming language. Python is also amazing for software development. It provides the user with build control, management, and various software testing tools like Scans, BuildBit, Apache Gump, Roundup, and Track. Python also has business applications such as ERP and e-commerce systems like Odoo and Triton. It can designing various e-commerce websites, web-based applications, and banking systems. Python is also used to develop various games. Some examples are Battlefield series, Sid Meier's Civilization 4, and more. Also, websites and services can be built by Python. Some examples are Dropbox, Uber, Pinterest, and BuzzFeed. Thank you for watching. Follow for more such videos.